Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on a journey to 10 amazing places you must visit before you die. These places are known for their natural beauty, rich history, and cultural significance. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list.
Meteora, Greece. Located in central Greece, Meteora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its towering rock formations and monasteries perched on top of them. The views from the top are breathtaking, and the area is steeped in history and mythology.
Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu is one of the most iconic destinations in the world. This ancient Incan citadel is nestled high in the Andes Mountains and offers stunning views of the surrounding valley.
Sagrada Familia, Spain. Barcelona's Sagrada Familia is one of the most famous churches in the world, and for good reason. This stunning masterpiece of Gothic architecture has been under construction for over a century and is set to be completed in 2026.
Bagan, Myanmar. Bagan is home to more than 2,000 Buddhist temples and pagodas. This ancient city was once the center of the pagan kingdom and is a must-see destination for history buffs and architecture enthusiasts alike.
Nyadapala Temple, Nepal. The Nyadapala Temple is located in Bhaktapur, Nepal, and is considered one of the most impressive examples of traditional Nepalese architecture. The temple's 5-story structure is dedicated to the goddess Siddhi Lakshmi.
Keukenhof, Netherlands. Keukenhof is known as the Garden of Europe, and for good reason. This 32-hectare park is home to over 7 million tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths, making it one of the most beautiful places in the world during the springtime.
Wulingyuan, China. Wulingyuan is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Hunan Province, China. This stunning natural wonder is home to over 3,000 sandstone pillars and peaks, many of which are over 200 meters tall.
Azores, Portugal. The Azores is a group of 9 volcanic islands located in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. The islands are known for their rugged landscapes, stunning natural beauty, and unique culture.
Blue City, Morocco. The Blue City of Chef Chefchaouen is a beautiful and unique destination located in northern Morocco. The city's walls, streets, and buildings are all painted in shades of blue, making it one of the most picturesque places in the world.
Trang An, Vietnam. Trang An is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Ninh Bình Province, Vietnam. This stunning area is known for its towering limestone cliffs, pristine rivers, and ancient temples.
We hope you enjoyed our video and are inspired to visit some of these incredible destinations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!